Hola, estudiantes. So the purpose of this video is to show you exactly what you need to do in order to log into Señor Wooly. So if you don't remember how to do this from class on Thursday or Friday, or if you're unable to make it to class, then this video is here to help you. So the first thing you need to do is you will have already read through the assignment on Canvas, and this is what the assignment looks like. Okay, on page 2 of the assignment, you've got your code for Señor Wooly here. So depending on what class you're in, you have to get your code. So I'm going to be doing a sample for period 8. And as a result, I'll go in and get the period 8 code. So I'm just going to let that load here really quickly. All right. And the period 8 code is right here. When you click on it, you'll see it. So you can just copy it. You Control C. Okay. Then you want to go in and you want to open up this website, Señor Wooly. Okay. It's www.senorwooly.com or simply senorwooly.com. Okay. Then you'll have opened it and this is what it looks like. So when you open it, you're going to click on this login and sign up link, and it will look like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it is student, but that's the default, so it should have done that. Then you go over here, you click on this blue sign up button. Okay, and then that's where this class code comes into play. If you have written it down, then type it in. If you did copy paste, then go ahead and paste it. It's right there, and then I click on continue. Wait for it for a moment to process, and then it's going to go through the process of setting me up as a person in this class. So I'm going to make up a name for myself. I'm going to call myself Señora. Okay, and you can only do your last initial. You do your first name, but your last initial. Since this is going to be a graded activity, you do need to put your name in. Don't make up some other name, please. So your name and your last initial, Señora T, and then click on next. The next thing you have to do is you got to choose an avatar. Doesn't matter which one you choose, whichever one you like. I'm going to go ahead and choose these creepy ladies. Okay, and I click next again. And then you get to the last part of signing up, and that is choosing your password. Choosing your password involves choosing 3 icons in a particular order, and you have to remember the icons and the order that you choose them in. Okay, so I am going to choose the banjo, the raised hand, and the backpack. Okay, notice in that order, banjo, the raised hand, and the backpack. And then I'm going to click next, and I'm going to have to do that again. And I've got to remember I chose the banjo, and then the raised hand, and then the backpack. Okay, and then I'm going to click next, and I've got to remember it again. But that second time that you've got to remember it, those icons are going to be all out of order, and you've got to remember what they were and what order you chose them in. So again, I go choose the banjo, the raised hand, and the backpack. And now it's going to let me in. Okay, you should get this registration complete. Your registration has been completed, and you go to class. It'll take me into the class. And I'm going to look over here on the right side of the screen, and what I'm going to see are the assignments. And there are 5 assignments. Nugget 1, Nugget 2, Nugget 3, Nugget 4, and Nugget 5. I don't know why they're out of order, but it does not really matter that they're out of order. What you're going to do is you're going to start with Nugget 1. You're going to do the nuggets in order. And the first thing you're going to do with Nugget 1 is you're going to go in and you're going to watch the video. Okay? There's watch the video. Because if you don't know what the video says, then you don't really have any basis for answering the questions. Okay? Within watching the video, there are a number of options in terms of captions. You should choose English and Spanish captions. Okay? So if I go over here into launching the video, As you see on the right-hand side, I can choose English and Spanish captions. Okay, I don't really want to watch this all the way through right this second, but it's what you will do. Okay, click on Return to Story. If you leave in the middle of it, it's going to ask if you want to do that. I recommend you finish each part of the nugget before you leave, even though I'm not doing that right this second. Return to Story, leave. And then you can choose the other parts of the nugget. Each nugget should take you between 9 and 12 minutes to finish, although this one will take you a little bit longer because you got to watch the video. Okay, when you get done with the nugget, then I will be able to see your progress, because this will be a green 100% that you've completed it. Again, there are 5 nuggets for you to complete. Each one is worth 4 points, a total of 20 points. And the only way for you to get credit for this assignment is to do each part of the nugget. Then, for example, if you've done 5 out of 5 nuggets, then you end up getting all 20 points. If you've done 4 out of 5 nuggets, then you get 16 points. Okay. If you've done 3.5 nuggets, I'm only grading you for the 3 that you did. Okay, you've got to be complete on your nuggets. I'm not going to spend the time grading parts of nuggets. So make sure that you finish a nugget once you get started with it. Hopefully this helps you get through this assignment. And if you've got any questions, then you can reach out to me via email, or you can find me on the Remind app. Hope you have a great weekend. And please know that this assignment is due by Monday night at 11:59 p.m. That is Monday, March 8th at 11:59 p.m. Have a great day.